In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve bank deposit differences in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or bookkeeper, understanding how to reconcile these discrepancies is crucial for accurate financial reporting. So, let's get started and make sure you have your QuickBooks Online account open and ready to go. First, navigate through the left-hand panel and click on Transactions. This is the main section where all your financial activities, including bank transactions, are recorded and stored. Once you're there, proceed to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll find a detailed list of your banking activities, giving you a clear picture of what's been recorded in your books compared to what the bank has reported. Now, look for the specific bank deposit that you need to resolve. Identifying the right transaction is crucial to ensure accuracy, so take your time and double-check. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the bank deposit. From there, you'll want to click on Match. This function allows you to align your records with the bank's records, a critical step in identifying any discrepancies. Next, you'll select the transactions that actually match the bank deposit. This means choosing the entries in your records, such as customer payments, that tally with the bank statement. As you do this, QuickBooks will try to reconcile and match the deposits in the system, based on the amounts and transaction details. As you scroll down, you'll notice a section dedicated to resolving any differences. Here, QuickBooks Online provides a space for you to address and correct any inconsistencies. This usually involves adding details for any transactions that cause the initial difference. Let's say, for instance, that the bank charged a deposit fee, which made the deposit amount differ from the total cash you intended to deposit. It's not uncommon for these small fees to slip under the radar, but they can cause inaccuracies. To resolve this, you'll simply add the category for the deposit fee into this section. By doing so, you ensure that your records reflect not only the actual amount deposited, but also account for the fee charged by the bank. Enter the exact amount of the fee tacked onto the deposit. This action balances out the discrepancy and aligns the bank's records with your bookkeeping records, effectively resolving the difference. Keep in mind you have the flexibility to input the necessary details or any other adjustments required to resolve the deposit discrepancy accurately. With QuickBooks, the matching process is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to handle similar situations in the future with greater ease. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you manage and resolve bank deposit differences efficiently in QuickBooks Online. Being thorough with these processes ensures your financial records are accurate, giving you a clearer view of your business's financial health. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!